October the 23rd, present day. Remember the wall. See this? Remember the glass block wall? Looks pretty cool now, doesn't it? Pretty dark in there. So, besides, I'm having a very difficult time with corners though. Up here now I just need to sand it down, and you see all the rough edges and all the stuff I haven't sanded yet. That's be the next project. Is going to be this hallway. Finish it off. Oh, by the way, I want to say something about a patch. When I was first cutting out this hole, this is one of the first holes I've cut. And I was going to cut it out by measurement. And that's what happened by measurement. And this is when I start cutting it out with a Dremel. I just basically take it to hell with that, stick it into position, and then start Dremel it, cut it out there. And the Dremel broke, flies over the other side, gouge out that side. I don't know. It's just one of those things that you kind of shake your head and laugh at, right? Think, okay, this is the beginning of something that's going to be just awful. Anyway, that being said, I push that apart and I continue. Yeah, here's the bathroom now. I'll show you this to the 23rd, that's today I show you this. My wife and I decided on a nice red cherry oak stain. Beautiful pieces of wood. Yeah, it's cherry color.